Okay, so we got to the Welcome Center. I didn't realize they had this here. It's a little miniature, it's a smaller version of what they have on the road. But there's palm trees everywhere. I feel like right now is what Buddy the Elf felt like walking into New York City. All the palm trees. There's a bazillion RVs too, obviously headed into the warmth. But yeah, miniature sign. Carly, come on, let's go into the other center. So we're gonna get our SunPass here. You wanna put the dollar in? In or here? Nope. Here, let me hold you this way. Get it? Grab it. Honey, there you go. Put it in. Almost. There you go. You had it. There you go. Stick it in. Stick it in. Put that one in. One more. There you go. Oh, Carly. Hold on. Alright, so we'll just do 3 and 3. So now we have one for the other car. It's gonna drop. Watch. Doink. Grab it.
That would be the most Florida thing, getting a SunPass out of it. Alright, I want to on record. We're leaving before 11 a.m.
We're leaving before the checkout time, so that's exciting. But, okay, so this is a cute campground, and it's dirt cheap for the monthly rate, but there's nothing to do around here. So I wouldn't want to stay here for a long time, but for an overnight, it's absolutely perfect. You can actually hear, you can see the freeway right there. The freeway is like 100 yards from this campground, but it's super cute. They've got a nice laundry room, activity area, pool, and then nice little lake full of gators, I'm sure. But yeah, we're heading to our first 1,000 Trails campground. We're only there for 2 nights because we're here 2 days earlier than we were originally planning, and then we're gonna check in for 3 weeks in Orlando. So, but yeah, we're ready to go. This is the Jennings KOA, which is a super cute KOA. No swimming, you don't say. I love the palm trees. Now we're gonna get into 80-degree weather today. All right, well, we made it to our first 1,000 Trails campground. We never stayed at 1,000 Trails before, using our membership, obviously. This is the first one. We got all set up here. We only have 2 nights here, and then we're going to Orlando, where we're gonna stay for 3 weeks. So we're actually gonna be there for a long time. We're gonna set up the whole thing. Just about lost the awning in the wind. I'm gonna have to get a tie-down kit for that. But I have to get a tie-down kit for that. Look at how nice it is outside. It's 80 degrees outside. So I just have to say, it is super nice. We were just hanging out outside around the smoker. Carly was playing in the sand. Now we're gonna go play mini golf.
Look at all those babies.
So I said we're gonna go play mini golf, and Carly went to the outside storage of the RV, and it took us a minute to figure out what she was trying to get. She has a toy mini golf set that she wanted to take with her. So whatever, everyone's got cool setups here too.
I love these little lamp.
Oh, that's a big Alliance. Those are super nice. Super nice. But yeah, everyone's got cool setups. This is a really pretty campground. This is 3 flags in 1,000 Trails. 3 flags. Yeah. More plant people. I need to get us a long one like that for the table, because look, he's growing like tomatoes and stuff in his. Yeah. That's kind of cool. So, but this is. Yeah, I've seen the little lizards around too.
I have yet to see a lizard. I really want to. I love them.
This is a very pretty campground though. Look at this tree. All the Spanish moss over there too. And then they've got gardens everywhere. It's cool. I like this place. Yeah. I tried to get us another spot here later in the year, but they're full. I mean, they're completely full. So we're at a couple of different 1,000 Trails throughout the winter. A lot of Orlando though, which is good because Disney.
Does that count?
Really?
Does that count?
There's no grass. It's all concrete, which is fine, except the ball moves really fast.
Yeah, because you can't put the ball down at all.
Carly decided to give up on putt-putt before we started, and she found this. What are you doing in there? But yeah, this is like their recreational area. They've got huge fire pit over there. There's looks like horseshoes, tennis court, and then all of the mini golf area. It's cool. Well, on the plus side, it stayed on the course this time. All right, well, we are back on the road. Left 3 Flags. This is that little bridge we saw yesterday at the grocery store. It was like golf cart city, but it's golf carts only. It's in the villages area. But this bridge is really cool looking. Oh, there's cyclists up there too. Look at all the palm trees. Heck yeah. We have like a 45-minute drive today. That's how motorcyclists die. We have like a 45-minute drive today, not too long, and then we're checking in and we're staying for 3 weeks, so we're not going to move for a little while, which is going to be nice because we've been moving like every day or two for the last week and a half. Now, that's too quick. It's too quick for me. Some people can do that all the time. I definitely can't. All right, so we are almost there. We've got 9 miles to go. Trying to go as slow as possible because, well, now we're down to 6 minutes we have to lose. I've been told that at the 1,000 Trails Orlando specifically, if you pull in at 11:59, they will turn you around and make you go out to the main road again with a noon check-in. So I don't know if that's true or not. Never been there, but we'll just try to play by the rules. We're getting there at 11:54 right now, so we luckily hit a bunch of stoplights and we're going slow. So we're going to be there probably right at noon, hopefully. But yeah, no, we're almost there. And this campground is freaking huge. Off to the left, there's a skywriting airplane. Like there's an airplane with a smoke contrail writing things in the sky. We've been trying to figure out for the last 5 minutes what it says. I don't know. We're not anywhere near it. It's way far away. But look at this. I'll put the window down. It's going to be loud. So I think we figured it out. It's Sunday. I think it said Jesus saves, and then at the top he's writing "Are you saved?" is what I think it looks like. But well, I'll give you an image when we get a little closer. It's pretty cool. I've never seen that being done. Okay, he's definitely writing "Are you saved?" I got a picture of it, which I'll insert here so you can see it. But he's doing it like right now, like we're watching the letters appear. That's cool. I've never seen that before. Well, we timed that just about perfectly. We got into the turn lane at 11:59 to turn into the park with 2 RVs in front of us and like 10 RVs behind us. So perfect timing going like 30 miles an hour down the road. So in the line of RVs, we were number 4. There's a bazillion behind us. But Sunday's one of their busiest check-in days, and we knew that. And from what everyone said online for the reviews, you got to get here right around noon because you go pick your campsite. So we're going to go pick our campsite now.
We're going to a cat cafe. I'm so excited.
It's the Orlando Cat Cafe up the road. We're just going to see if it's a BYOC, bring your own cat. But Franklin might want to go. So we got here yesterday. We got all set up, and we got our site set up. We're going to be here for 3 weeks. So look at this site. It's crazy looking. It's beautiful. The weather's awesome. Hi, Carly's. We decided to get the clam out. Now, they do have pretty specific rules here. I'm fine with it. Some people may not like.
Depending on where you're at, the campground has stricter rules.
Some people don't like strict stuff. I don't care too much because, I mean, we're not loud anyway, so whatever. But you have to have everything on the concrete, which is actually fine because it's a huge pad. The pad's like 12 feet wide. It's
way more than big enough.
And it's got this huge patio area. And look, our clam's even on it. This is even on the concrete. So we got the clam set up, and it's long enough that both cars are still sitting in front of it. But yeah, we set everything up yesterday. We got the awning out and we got the tie downs.
But who found this site?
Well, this is the first one you saw when we came in.
I know, but I picked it.
So 1,000 Trails, at least this one now. 3 Flags wasn't. They assigned our site. But most of them, from what I understand, are like first come, first serve as far as.
I like this one more because there was some like.
This is a nice campground.
Next to our site and 3 Flags.
Now, this is the new area of this campground. It's like 1,100 sites. This is the new area with all these concrete pads, and some of the other areas, it's gravel and sometimes even like grass. But there's probably 400 or 500, maybe even more, of these style sites.
I think that are all going. They're going.
Maybe
to
at some
this,
point.
All slabs.
But it is a first come, first serve. Now you're guaranteed a spot, but you're not necessarily guaranteed a type of spot. So that's why it's this line of RVs to get in, like right at noon. And it says they will turn you away at 11:59, which
and we have
fine.
Multiple people say they literally have been turned away.
So get here at noon, as close to noon as possible. We got in here at 12 exactly, and we had plenty of sites to pick from when we got in here. But
there's a doggo living his best life on a golf
golfing cart. That's a tiny golf cart.
Hi.
But so we got this site and we got it all set up. Awning's out. We put everything good to go. Our bikes are out. Now we got to do running around, errand stuff, and get our Florida licenses and our license plates and everything else.
Decorations.
Yeah, we may put our Christmas tree up tonight. But this is going to conclude the video of us getting down here. I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful site. We're going to be in for weeks. We're going to be in this campground. It's huge. We're going to be in this campground for like 2.5 months over the winter in reservations.
Close to the pool
Yeah. So the pool is that red roof over there. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's that red roof over there. So that's the pool and activity center we're very close to. They have golf.
We mean activities.
Yeah, they have the indoor area. They have
exercise classes,
Yeah.
dance classes.
And they have a kiddie pool. They have a little 1-foot kiddie pool, which Carly's excited about. So
Which is good to know because the pools they do not have a shallow end.
yeah, no, none of the other. There's 2 big pools that are 3 to 8 feet deep, I think. So, but yeah, ready, Carly? All right, we'll see you guys in a couple days.